Okay, I wanted to show you how to sanitize the mask made out of the filti material, since you can't wash the filti material. And in the link below the video, you'll see the research article that describes this process. You'll need a Pyrex dish, some mesh plastic that came from a fruit bag. This is my mandarins. And some water. There's water in there. And also a rubber band or tie. So there's a rubber band around here. The first thing you do is make kind of a trampoline over a thing of water. You want the water to be wide enough that the whole mask fits on top of it, because they found that parts that were not under the water didn't get disinfected as easily in the research study that I cite below. And then I would recommend that you put your setup in the microwave and microwave it prior to doing it with your mask, because the first time I did it, my rubber band snapped and everything went into the water. But once you do that, you just place your mask on top. You can place it however you want, making sure that all the parts are above it, and then you microwave it for 3 minutes. They found by 3 minutes that the viral load was low enough to be considered disinfected. So that's how you do that.